Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can adjust your thermometer reading on your Casio Pro Trek PRG330 watch. This is going to be pretty much the same process as most other Casio watches that have the barometer/thermometer sensor on them. Let's go ahead and let's jump into it. If we press the middle button on the right hand side, that's going to be our barometer, and that's where you should see your thermometer sensor value. It's going to be down here at the bottom. I'm reading 79.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, don't worry about what I show you. You can adjust this value, but then if you want to set it back to the way it was delivered from Casio, you can turn this off and it'll go back to the factory default setting. So it's reading 80 degrees, which is a little bit high. I want to set it the same as another watch. So this one's reading 78 degrees. The sensor on this G-Shock, I feel like, is a lot more accurate than that on this Pro Trek. It's a lot newer watch, so maybe they've made adjustments to it. So 78 degrees versus 80. Let's go ahead and adjust this one down. While we're in the barometer mode, we are going to press and hold the adjust button. After a couple of seconds, you are going to see your thermometer sensor value blinking down here at the bottom. It lets us know that we can adjust it. I can use either the compass button, which is the top right button on the watch, or the altimeter button, which is the bottom right button. Compass button is going to move me down. The altimeter button will move it up. So I need to go down to 78. You can also hold. Once you've got your value set, or you've got your thermometer value adjusted, you're going to simply press the adjust button one time and you've successfully adjusted your thermometer sensor reading. So I'm pretty close. I could go in there and adjust it down that 0.2 degrees, but we are pretty close now to what our Pro Trek is or what the G-Shock is showing. So once we're done, press the mode button. We're back at our timekeeping mode, and we've calibrated or adjusted our thermometer sensor. Let's say you decide, hey, look, I've messed with this thing. I just want to set it back to the way it was from Casio. We're going to do the same thing. Go into your barometer mode. Press and hold the top left button, which is your adjust button. What we need to do now to turn this off or reset it back is we're going to press the compass button and the altimeter button at the same time. I always start by pressing the compass button, hold it down, press the altimeter button. You'll notice it said off, and we have now turned off that manual adjustment we made. We've put it back to the default from Casio. Simply press the adjust button, save your changes, and that's how you turn it off. Pretty simple stuff. Again, works the same as most other Casio watches. I would show you the exact same steps on this G-Shock. Again, Casio hasn't changed their settings in several years, so I hope the video helps.